Go.
Okay, today's learning objective, is to calculate the volume increase in water when it freezes. So what we're going to do is, I've got everything, all the materials you need here, so I'm going to kind of run you through what you have to do. You're going to need a water bottle. You can take the label off, that'll be a good idea. So let me quickly cut that off. Okay, and then as your procedure describes in your Schoology assignment, you need to put a piece of tape on the outside of the bottle that measures from the base, which is the bottom, up to the top of the bottom up to the top of the bottle at 1.5 inch intervals. So the easiest way to do that, what we're looking for is this as our end result. The easiest way for you to do that is to take the piece of tape about so long, kind of estimate the height of your bottle, and then tape it to your counter, make the intervals there. Okay, and if you could zoom in on that. And then you're going to want to start, this ruler has got all sorts of measurements. You want to make sure you're using inches. This ruler comes from West Germany, fancy. And then line up the 0 with the end of the tape, and then 1/2 intervals. Maybe somebody in your house can help you if you can't read a ruler. Here is 1/2, then 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. So what I'm doing is just making marks at 1/2 intervals the length of my tape. Okay, I don't know, maybe I'm going a little farther than I need to, but that's okay. And then I'm going to label them. Of course, it's 0 at the bottom. This is 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, and so on. Okay, so if you need to adjust that a little bit so make those a little bit longer, go ahead and do that. All right, and then what you're going to do is take the tape, and the base is the bottom of the bottle, so you're going to take an empty water bottle. It has to be emptied. It doesn't have to be a water bottle. You could use a pop bottle, doesn't matter. And you want the tape, and again, I'm going to kind of tilt this, to start at the base, and then it can only go up to the neck. And the reason is, once you fold that tape in, you've lost your actual measurement. So the height has to stop where the neck of the bottle is here, and we're going to hope that the volume doesn't increase past that point. Okay, so here's my bottle. I've got that measured with 1/2 inch intervals, so I'm all done with that. The next part of the procedure, you need to have some colored water. What color should we use? You want to pick? My cameraman. Blue? Okay, we're going to go with blue. So we'll put a couple of drops of blue water in. All right, don't go crazy on the water. You can improvise. We're not drinking this, so I'm going to stir it with my pen. Okay, and then as the procedure describes, don't put that on your counter, it might stain. As the procedure describes, you're going to go ahead and pour that water in up to the 3-inch interval. Be very careful. That's got a little water. I'm going to use this one. Be very careful that you don't spill, and also you go slow here. Okay. Now you may remember from previous science classes that in order to accurately measure the volume of a liquid, you need to be at eye level. So my cameraman is at eye level. Will you say stop when I'm at 3 inches, please? Getting close? Getting close?
Stop.
Stop. Okay. And then you're going to need to cap that bottle. So we're going to go ahead and cap. It's at 3 inches. Nice, thank you. Okay, we'll put the cap on. All right, and then we're going to just find a place in the freezer. Ooh, and hopefully you have a little room in your freezer, because we have a lot of stuff in ours. But find a spot where you can place it upright. There we go. Okay. And then close the freezer. Wait till the water freezes. And that's it for today. So that's your assignment.